Juicy goosey. Are we naming this cattail?
Oh yeah.
What are we naming her?
Can I name it Lay Lady Lay?
Lay Lady Lay. Please do.
I was gonna call it something like Valentine, and I think that's the perfect Valentine
No,
name.
it's perfect. Afternoon
pink.
delight.
It's pink. It's for love.
It's pink. It's pretty.
It's for love.
Like us.
Joseph says it's a heart. It's for love.
I mean, and it's not. It's like a regular heart. It's not the actual heart.
Oh,
anatomy.
like the organ. No, yeah.
No, not the organ.
Hi,
Hi,
I'm Brittany, and this
Matt.
is Matt.
how's it going?
You're in the kitchen with Britt.
And Matt.
So, you maybe know me, you maybe don't. It's me.
But you don't know Matt.
But you don't know Matt. So we're gonna get to know Matt. Matt, tell us 2 things about Matt. Just 2.
Gemini.
Oh, me too.
See?
You never knew that.
COVID 5. And love. I love love.
Oh, yes.
I love love. I love romance.
Good.
And luckily, we're making a Valentine's Day.
Drink called Lay Lady Lay.
Lay, lady, lay.
It will consist of pink grapefruit juice. Made a lot of rosemary circle.
Circle.
We got some vodka in this jar, but you could use gin, and I think that I will prefer gin
Yeah.
on another
Yeah,
day.
let's do it.
Although lime, just juicing a few limes.
Not Lyme disease, though. Just lime
Oh,
juice.
no.
Not Lyme disease.
No ticks involved.
No ticks.
But I need to move my mask. I do, and I'm gonna wash my hands, obviously. I have a couple of interview questions prepared for Matt, just since this is
Good.
the first episode. We'll obviously call them episodes.
Episodes.
We're already kind of having one. So Matt, tell us a couple things like how many siblings do you have?
So I am the middle of 3 kids. I am a middle child.
Oh, me too. Except
See?
there's 4 of us.
Yeah.
But I'm the top middle.
And I have an older sister who lives in Amherst and a brother in Cleveland. And of course, brother-in-law, so we count him as a sibling. Why not?
Yes.
You know, you do what you gotta do.
So Matt is a teacher, culinary arts. What's your favorite part-time job that you've ever had?
Sir the top.
Oh, okay.
No, I actually, so it's not like technically a part-time job, but when I was in college, I worked at Disney World in the Disney College
Fun
program.
fact about Matt.
Yeah, really good fact about math. And did prep cooking and did my favorite part of that job. And you know, I know I've said this to you millions of times. Making Mickey Mouse cones with ice cream. I mean,
It's fun.
I'm like, this was the most adorable thing ever. I out myself here. We would have the chocolate and strawberry ice cream.
Yes. Sorry.
So it'd be like a chocolate covered strawberry. It's just important, it's fine.
Ah!
So I would do the pink.
You have to start over. I really wasn't listening. I know all you could see of my face was my glazed over eyes. So.
No, so it was pink.
Okay.
It was the strawberry ice cream. And then I do chocolate ears. So
Oh.
Mickey Mouse ears and it was chocolate covered strawberry. How adorable is that?
That's cute. That's cute.
That's the dream.
That's the dream.
Matt's special at Disney World. Who knew?
Now, who's your favorite coworker that you've ever worked with?
Gosh.
At
Mickey
a part-time job, cooking. I don't know.
You! Obviously!
Oh, good.
Oh god, as I slip.
I planned that. I really planned that.
You did, you did.
It like went better in my head, obviously.
Obviously, since I made it awkward. Go me.
No.
Go me.
I decided since I have this tiny little guy that I'm actually gonna do one at a time. And my brain is not full right now, so I'm measuring terribly.
I have emptied her brain a little
Like
bit
the
more
whole
than being here.
idea is we want to cocktail. Well, just put that anywhere. And we haven't had any yet.
We have not had anything to drink.
Gonna murder.
It's gonna be slow, steady.
But here's the thing. I've been here a while. He's been working since like 7 in the morning. It's
It's like Happy Kitchen.
It's the PM by now. The whole idea, aside from having a cocktail and fun, is to find out the perfect proportions for this cocktail. So measuring is of the utmost importance.
Utmost importance is not because we want to have a drink.
Oh, not at all.
We're not drinking.
I'm just gonna pour it.
Do it. We don't have a ladle.
This is
it's
gonna
fine.
work.
It's gonna work.
It's gonna work.
If you keep an
I
eye
feel
on
like
her
I
the
need
whole
bigger
time.
hands. Okay, would that help? I don't know. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so here's what we dreamed up. 1.5 ounces of vodka, check.
Check.
1 ounce of the lime. We might want more.
We might want more.
We don't know.
But there's no coconut, so there's no liming in the coconut.
For sure. This is 6 ounces. I'm gonna start with 2.
Yeah.
And I'm totally gonna be able to figure that out. Easy. On a January, February day like today, I did it.
Totally.
1
See,
quart.
done.
Yeah, I feel
It's like she's done this before.
I feel like I'm gonna want that 3rd ounce.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm excited about the rosemary syrup.
Half
I'm
an
excited.
ounce is where we're starting. I don't even know if I'm in frame. All right.
She might have been talking
stand
off camera
so
this whole
close
time.
To me.
Don't
Right.
stand.
Half ounce. Obviously, we've got our spritz.
We might have to do a karaoke one, like a
Oh.
karaoke episode.
Yeah. So what could we call it? Like, obviously, there's already the karaoke. What could we be?
We'll have you guys
I
come up with a name.
Yeah, I mean, I
Come
have
up with a
carrots.
name.
We could call it carrot-okie, but I don't think that's the one. So it's just the first idea.
The first idea.
I don't know if you guys have an ice maker.
I found it appealing. I found the appeal.
It's not on. We were gonna use ice. It's gonna be cool.
Oh.
I mean, why do I even shake it anymore? I mean,
It's worth it.
we want to mix it.
It's worth it.
I'll just like do this.
Shake the shaker. Da 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 da.
Thanks to Molly, I can shake without spilling.
Looks good.
All right, I'm gonna get a couple cups.
And we're not gonna knock over
And
anything.
we're not gonna drop the soup. It's okay. I can do it.
We're not breathing. It's fine.
It's fine. Silence is the essence of documentary.
Guys, I hope you're all staying warm today, by the way. Stay warm. It's cold out.
Stay warm, Seattle.
Seattle.
Okay, so obviously we both need to try this one
This one.
to
Mhm.
see how it is.
Let's see the color first.
Oh,
Oh,
it's pretty.
pink. Who
Yeah.
knew?
Valentine's Day, guys.
Valentine's Day. Galentine's Day.
I'm actually only gonna pour that much because we might make the different one and try the different one. So let's start here.
I'm a swirler.
I'm a swirler.
Blue.
Oh my gosh! Is it perfect?
Oh, that's heaven.
It's really good, you guys.
The only thing I would say, a little more rosemary syrup.
I know. I just want more rosemary, but not more syrup.
Well, we need to do this time. We need to do the sprig.
Probably you want to muddle this, okay, guys?
Not to
But
muddle
yeah,
in your
we could
business,
do-
but if we could do a
we
little
could
bit
do a
more.
little more of this.
Yeah.
Oh, but I love the lime.
It's Wednesday. Come
The
on.
amount of lime.
The lime is
here.
perfect. That's heaven.
Okay, so that's an extra half.
So
Here's
half
where-
plus half equals
Here's
one.
the math. Now we're gonna make sure that this is actually split up because we're gonna wanna each get a quarter. Each
Quarter.
get a quarter.
Quarter. Forget
It's a
about it.
quarter. I'm gonna be honest, it was a little more than half.
Oh, jeez.
Hey,
Louise.
use some for the beds. Okay, swirl.
Swirl.
Cheers.
Chels. Mask off.
Ooh. Mmm.
Yeah, I see.
It needed like an 8.
Yeah. Like.
Okay. We'll
That's
be able
lovely.
to make it up on the second glass.
Yeah. And I would say maybe sparkling next time. We do like a little sparkle of some sort.
Top with an ounce of sparkling
One.
water. One.
One.
1.5. We're just here, guys.
We're living our dream.
Obviously, this isn't live, so ask us anything.
Yeah. Anything at all. No, I'm not single. Sorry, everyone.
Yep.
She's not single either.
Nope.
So.
So
no.
get that out of your heads.
Yeah, honestly.
Go ahead and forget about
Forget about it.
All right, I'm going like
Science.
an ounce and a quarter. I do
Ounce and a
like
quarter.
this kind of science.
Yeah.
Oh, I can feel this. It's gonna be. A friend of mine used to say radical danger, and I think it's a great combination of words.
Oh, it's a really good
And I feel like it
addition of words together.
matches the moment, doesn't it, right now? This is gonna be radical danger.
Can I just say this is my TV debut? I mean, we're not on television, but it's like
Yet?
big. Yeah. I mean, this face, come on, people. Honestly.
How do we? All right, we're gonna need to chug the first one. 'Cause, I mean, we're gonna be driving in a few hours. We may as
It's a
well
couple
get it.
hours.
Get it now. Oh, you're slow. Rosemary at the end. Rosemary at the end. It's good. I wish
Oh,
it
yeah.
was ice, huh?
Ice.
Ice would be dreamy.
There's none in this magic door. That's.
Oh, that's not on. It's a pantry.
Oh, well, okay then.
What you're smelling is a rotten clementine.
Oh, sweet.
They've been so good all season, but I feel like the last couple bags I've gotten have been rotten.
Rotten ice.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, let's
And
see.
time is on our side.
Always, never, at all. Cheers.
Cheers.
I mean, it kind of tastes the same.
Yeah, I'm not mad at it though.
But you know what? You know what I'm gonna do? Nothing.
Oh,
All I have
nope.
is, all I have is forks. All I have is forks.
So spray maybe of the rosemary?
I want like a half a teaspoon of lime. That's what I want.
Have a teaspoon
I can
of
do
lime.
it. I can do it.
You can do
Can I
it.
do it?
You can do it. Don't be scared. Oh.
Tablespoon. Ah! It's not like there's not vodka. Cheers. You have been
Cheers.
enjoying In the Kitchen with Britt,
And Matt.
and you will be enjoying it again soon.
Very soon. Very soon.
Lay
More
lady-
recipe ideas. Love y'all.
Lay lady lay.
Lay lady lay.